Welcome to Stratum. In this video, we'll cover managing your favorite and recently used views. The Recent and Favorites functionality in Stratum gives you the ability to tag your favorite views. Simply click the gray star next to a view name to make it a favorite. Click the star again to remove the view from favorites. All your favorites get organized into this tab in the Stratum View Pane. Here's all the views you personally designated as favorites, with the view we tagged as a favorite at the top of the list because we just added it. There's also a tab that shows your recently used views. They're grouped together by this week, last week, and older. The rolling history of recent views is automatically generated for you. Most likely, the thing you'll do most often from either tab is use them as shortcuts for running your most popular views, which can be done with a simple tap or click of its name. There's more that can be done here. For example, mark a recent view as a favorite. You can rearrange favorites to put them in the order that makes the most sense to you, or rename them. Right-click any view in either tab and you'll see a full list of things that you can do. Things like opening your favorite or recent views in edit mode, or removing views from either list. This concludes our look at adding views to your favorites list and using the Favorites and Recents tabs in the Stratum View Pane, a central spot for keeping track of views that are most important to you. Here's some more videos to help you become a Stratum Pro. You can find other helpful resources in Stratum's online help and the Stratum homepage.